Yes, attack into next part, 11th part, trigonometry. It's very amazing, very important and very short answer type questions. 11th part of trigonometry, problems on T ratios of complement triangles, continuation part for various boards and competitive examinations. Okay, so let us go through it now. Given sec phi a is equal to cosec of a plus 30 degrees. Okay, where phi a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Still, those who did not watch, please go through the description. The link is provided in the description. You can watch it. Okay, previous videos. So now let us go through it here. So consider what is given here our problem. Sec phi a is equal to cosec of 90 plus 9 cosec of a plus 30. So sec phi a is equal to cosec of a plus 30 degrees. So the basic principle you have to remember nothing but sec and cosec are the T ratios with respect to the complement triangles. Okay, that point you have to remember. Remaining part is very easy. So phi a is acute angle given. So I am changing this side LHS. You can change RHS also, but here with respect to theta you have two terms. It is a little bit complicated. So I am changing here sec phi a. So now I can write it as, so cosec of 90 degrees minus phi a is equal to cosec of a plus 30 degrees. Why so here like that? Nothing but we know very well that sec theta is cosec of 90 minus theta. This is a formula we applied. Just in the place of sec, I have written this one. Okay. So where phi a is our theta, so 90 degrees minus phi a. So here I can write, since phi a is an acute angle, then a also will be acute, and LHS and RHS we have with respect to cosec, then we can proceed the next step. So 90 degrees minus phi a is equal to here a plus 30 degrees. Okay, so this is a linear equation in one variable where our variable is nothing but a here. So shifting all the terms, so minus phi a minus a. Next 90 to this side, 30 degrees minus, 30 degrees minus 90 degrees. Okay, so minus phi a minus a is minus 6a is equal to, here it is minus 60 degrees. So I can write here now nothing but minus 6a is equal to minus 60 degrees, a is equal to minus 60 degrees by minus 6. So finally a is equal to nothing but 10 degrees. Okay, this is a conclusion for this problem. Just had remember this formula and the remaining part. This part is nothing but very simple. Easily you can do solving the linear equation one variable. You are going to get this one. So a is nothing but 10 degrees. It is acute in nature, and phi a is given 5 into 10 is nothing but 50 degrees, acute in nature. Okay, once you have the total look. So this is our 11th part of trigonometry. First problems plays very important role. What is our equation for that? A is equal to 10 degrees. In LHS and RHS you substitute, you should get the same answer. Okay, that is the conclusion, that is the verification of this problem. Okay. Now the actual challenging problem comes here. Okay, very important for Olympiads, Polyset, competitive examinations, special, and sometimes very short answer questions also for the board examinations, especially for CBSE and SSC. So this you can treat it as some level, just like level 2 problem. Let us crack it now. It's very simple. Please listen here. So find the value of this expression. So please don't be scared by seeing the question. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, look at here in 2 or 3 steps. I am going to conclude this problem. So Find the value of this expression. So nothing but tan 1 degrees into tan 2 degrees, tan 3 degrees, so on, tan 45 degrees. You may ask the question that we don't know the value of tan 1 degrees, no sir, tan 88 degrees, tan 89 degrees or tan 11 degrees, etc. So no need, just go through it now. So now in the middle you can find the standard angles tan 30, tan 45, tan 60. So that we are going to introduce here some of them. So now tan 1 degree into tan 2 degrees, so on, tan 45 degrees. So here you will get tan 30 degrees and here you will get tan 60 degrees also, obviously, but here requirement I am writing tan 89 degrees. Okay, so now this can be written as, now you can change tan 1 degree or tan 89 degrees. That is your wish. So one more I am writing tan 88 degrees into tan 89 degrees. Okay. So we know that, or we have. So whatever we are going to do, that I am going to write here, nothing but cot 89 degrees. Tan 1 degree can be written as. Okay. So this is cot 88 degrees. Tan 2 degrees can be written as. So on. We know that tan 45 degrees is always 1. Okay. That is 1 that I am going to write here. Next, so on, I am replacing the same here. No replacing tan 88 degrees and into tan 89 degrees. Okay. So what I have done, just replace tan 1 degree, tan 8, cot 89 and this one cot 80 degrees. So if you observe carefully, cot theta and tan theta, these are nothing but T ratios of complementary angles. Now I can replace it. Okay, that I have been replaced, and tan and cot are reciprocal to each other. Nothing but this I can write it as 1 by tan 89 degrees into 1 by tan 88 degrees. So on 1 into here tan 88 degrees and here it is tan 89 degrees. Tan 89 degrees, tan 89 degrees, since operation multiplication, this one and this one get cancelled. So you have leftover is nothing but total 1 into 1 into so on gives you 1. So the answer is here nothing but 1 is my answer. Okay. So now what have been used, that I am writing here. So we have tan theta is equal to cot of 90 degrees minus theta. Okay. So cot of here 1 degree can be written as, okay, 90 minus 89 degrees, that I have been written here. Okay. So this is my final answer and this is a formula I have been applied. So cot of 90 tan, this tan theta is nothing but cot of 90 minus 1 degree here, nothing but tan 1 degrees. Cot of 90 degrees minus theta is tan theta. Okay, it's very easy, please go through it. The final answer is 1. So the expression is big and the answer is small. Here it is 1. So I hope so you like these problems a lot. Okay, please drop your comments, give the like symbol for encouragement and share, subscribe my channel. Okay, see you later.